Hi. You can see my, here you go, it's better. How's it going? We're in the car. I'm waiting to pick the kids up because I've got to take them to the dentist. Managed to get an NHS one. It is, however, 50 minutes away. So, my postman brought my Glossybox. Oh, it's pretty. So I thought I would just unbox it in the car because I have been on one today, drinking too much coffee and just didn't get around to it. So, Glossybox in the car. It's pretty. I do have to say I used to work with Glossybox, have done in the past, used to get PR from them, but not anymore, and pay for this myself. It's a very pretty paper. I'm very much enjoying those colours. That's beautiful. But let's see what we've got. Again, I'm sorry I'm shit, but I'm filming it on my phone. I haven't charged my camera in like a year. It's just easier on my phone. But you're supposed to scan this and it tells you what everything is. However, obviously I'm on my phone, so I can't. So we're just gonna guess. It's a very clean girl aesthetic today. Very kind of pinky girly girls. Let's have a look. So we've got Medic 8 Surface Radiance Cleanse Resurfacing AHA and BHA Mangosteen Cleansing Gel. Powerful cleansing gel designed for those with skin aging concerns. Exfoliating acids work alongside invigorating citrus extracts. Also, I was doing a giveaway on the other one, wasn't I? And I forgot to do it, so I'll just pick someone randomly and then I'll tag them on the other video and then I'll link it down below. If I remember, someone remind me. I'm shocking at this. Oh, it smells good. There's an Uber Eats man or delivery man just walking there. It smells really good. What are you? Oh, Ritual of Sakura. Oh my god, I've had the hand wash of this. No, the hand sanitizer. This is the hand wash. It's rice milk and cherry blossom. The Rituals of Sakura packaging is just absolutely bloody gorgeous. And if this is the same scent as the hand thing that I've had, it is. Anything with cherry, I'm fucking sold. Like, that is gorgeous. That is going in my bathroom. How do we... Oh, we take that bit off. I'm not going to take that off in the car because it'll probably explode. But that's beautiful. I'm very, very happy with that. And that's going to be just for me to use, not the kids. Inner Sense Colour Awakening Hair Bath. A gentle cleansing shampoo for medium texture, colour and chemically treated hair. What's medium texture? Mine's curly. Is that medium texture? Don't know. Revitalize medium texture. I feel like that's very specific. I wonder if there's a range that was like for fine hair, for curly hair. Like, I wonder if there's a range of these for different hair types, or is it just they only cater to medium texture? Color safe and gentle cleansing shampoo. Take a deep breath and become scented. Apply a small amount. Oh, fuck off. Just wash your hair with it. Oh, what do you smell of? That smells really good. Orange. Yeah, it's orange peel. That smells amazing. Yes. Vegan and cruelty free. Always nice. I'll give it a go. I don't know if I've got medium texture hair, but we'll try. We've got another. Oh, we've got the conditioner. Oh, see, I think that's a cop-out. How many items we've got? We've got one more item left. So there should be 5 items. I think a shampoo and conditioner, that should count as one. That's not 2 separate items. That is one item in 2 bottles. Let me know if you agree with that or not. But that's the conditioner. So that's nice, but I feel like that's a cop-out because there is literally just one item left in here. So I feel like that's a 4-item box rather than a 5. We've got a floss, brighten up, highlighter and illuminator. Again, the packaging, everything is very, very clean. Sunbeam, rose gold with ultra-fine gold pearls. I don't have any highlighter on. I haven't actually worn highlighter in like a million years. Oh, that might be a bit dark for my skin. I'm not entirely sure. It's not too bad. Put a little tiny bit. You can't even really see it, can you? Let's be brave. Come on, be brave. Can't actually see it on my skin. Literally cannot see that on my skin. What the fuck? Like, you can see it on my finger. You see it on my hand. I can't actually see it on my skin. I would probably use that more as like an inner eye doodad. Can you see that? Like, we're in daylight. maybe a tiny bit. Might go on better with a brush. I'm not gonna lie, I really like that box. And that's good, other than the fact that we're one item short. Come on, Glossybox, let me know if you agree with that. I think that was nice, and it's a very pretty box. One of the girls will steal this, and I imagine put crystals in it. What is the time? Oh, I need to go and get my children. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.